Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can put money on your wallet in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here you're gonna find all of the games that you have, and here in the right you're gonna find your game library. So if you click right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the games that you have. You can switch between installed, your collection, and also your PlayStation Plus games. So right now I'm gonna go back, and right here if you go to the left you're gonna find your PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. So go ahead and click on PlayStation Store, and then once you do that, right here as you can see guys, this is the store basically for buying any game that you want on the PlayStation. Right here you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find collection, sales, and so on. And right here as you can see guys, in the right you're gonna find the search bar. Here you're gonna find the wish list. Right here as you can see guys, you're gonna find your cart, and if you click on these three dots right here you're gonna find payment method, redeem a code, subscriptions, and so on. So if you have a code, you can just click on redeem right here, and then you can just add your code right here. So just click right here, and then the keyboard will appear, and then just type your code, and once you finish, go ahead and click on R2 or just click on done right here. And then once you do that, if the code is working, you will be able to click on use. If not, as you can see guys, I had a message that says my code is wrong. Or you can just go and click on payment method, then you can add your payment method right here to put money on your wallet. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.